Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It really encourages me to create more videos like this. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to see how you can lock a particular Zoom meeting to prevent others from Zoom bombing or misusing your meetings or just dropping in your meetings uninvited. Uh, so initially, now I have started this meeting, but I have not logged it yet. So you can see the lock meeting is unchecked right now. Now I have just copied the meeting ID and meeting password here. So if I just open my phone screen, so on my phone, I will try to join this meeting right now with this particular meeting ID. And I'll say join meeting. Now it should prompt me for the password. I can see the password there. Right, so as you can see, I have joined the meeting and I have received an alert over here which says admit or not. So if I admit, basically it is showing me admit because I have enabled the waiting room. So now I have joined the meeting on my phone. This is just my phone mirrored to the screen on my laptop. So now I'll leave this meeting. So I've left the meeting on my phone. Now I will go ahead and lock the meeting. Right? So how you lock the meeting? You simply go in the security section and say lock meeting. Now this security section will be only visible to you if you are the meeting host. Now for meeting host, you don't need to have a pro account. You simply need to start a meeting from your own Zoom login. So if I open Zoom app, this is my Zoom app. You can log in by clicking on this and then starting a meeting by yourself. It will show a new meeting option over here if you don't already have a meeting running right now. So when you start a meeting by yourself, you become the host of that particular meeting, and because you are the host of that meeting, it shows you the option to lock the meeting. So now I'm going to lock this meeting. So it says you have locked the meeting, no one else can join. So now if I try to join it from my phone, and now it's asking me for the password, I'll enter the password. So it's currently showing the meeting has been logged by the host. Now there is some issue uh, with the device screen mirroring software, because of which it's not showing the mirror. But basically, at this stage, it is showing that the meeting has been logged by the host on the other screen through which I'm trying to join the meeting. So in this way, basically, you can prevent the unwanted users from joining your meeting and ensure that your Zoom meetings are not being bombed. This is a great feature which was recently launched by Zoom, given the lot of criticism that they have faced from the industry in general, because there has been a lot of instances where people are bombing the Zoom meetings. So I hope you found this interview informative. Again, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it good enough. And let me know in comments what you felt about this, how I can improve it. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you again.